You just moved into your new place and decided to start fresh with some new furniture. You want to add some color to your life, so you bought a couch with a strong color pop. Now, you want to add a little razzle dazzle to the look. You scroll for hours online, looking for something that sparks excitement. No luck. You head out to the store in hopes that something will catch your eye. No luck. Then you realize that your daughter brought you back some amazing fabric from her study abroad trip to Benin, West Africa. It occurs to you that you can make your own custom pillows from that fabric. Now you're onto something. Okay, maybe none of this has ever happened to you. Maybe you just want to create a beautiful throw pillow because you want to personalize your living space with a unique design. Save money and still achieve a high quality look. Practice your sewing skills. Upcycle or repurpose existing materials. Whatever your reason, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful throw pillow. There are 2 phases to this process: design and construct. Let's begin with our 2-step design phase. Step 1, choose a fabric for the outside of your pillow. Step 2, choose the stuffing for the inside of your pillow. Challenge yourself to be creative with what you already have. You can use clothing, sheets, curtains, or any other fabric you have at home. If you're just learning how to sew, choose a test fabric that you don't mind making mistakes with. Here's where you'll most likely have to spend a few bucks. Go to your local fabric goods store and get foam or feather stuffing. This will make the difference between a fluffy pillow and a flat pillow. While you're there, pick up any sewing supplies that you don't already have at home. You can also buy 2 yards of fabric if you didn't find any fabric at home. Now that you've got everything you need, it's time to move on to the construction phase. Step 1. Spread out all of your materials and make sure you have what you need to begin. Start as close to the corner of your fabric as you can and measure out a square with 20-inch edges with your fabric measuring tape. Avoid frayed or damaged portions of your fabric. Mark along the edge of the tape with chalk until you have a 20 by 20 square on your fabric. Repeat this process on another piece of your fabric. Now it's time to cut out your fabric squares. Hold the shears to the table and let the table guide you to a clean cut along all 4 lines. Place both squares together back to back with the dull side of the fabric facing outward. Then pin them together at the corners. Once the corners are pinned, run pins in a straight line at 2 inches away from the edges of the fabric. Finally, hand sew or machine sew directly over the chalk line, but only on 3 edges. Leave one edge open. Flip your pillow back to the pattern side. Take your stuffing and begin filling the pillow. Make sure you fill the far corners first, then work backwards toward the open edge. Sew along the chalk line on the 4th seam. If you use the machine to stitch the other 3 sides, you may need to hand sew the final side if your pillow is very fluffy. Here's where you can add tassels, appliques, buttons, and any other fun embellishments to your pillow, if you want to. And that's it! That's how you make a personalized throw pillow. Thank you for watching this instructional video. Now go do it!